Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need an active Xbox account, a PSN account, and access to your Activision profile. Once done, sign into Activision on a browser and choose account linking. This is the first actionable step. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled so the link completes securely. It prevents account conflicts later. You'll enter credentials and verify email codes, so keep your phone or authenticator app nearby. Then proceed to the next stage. Now, inside Activision's account linking area, you'll confirm Xbox is linked, then add PS5 as a new platform. You click Link, sign into PSN when prompted, and authorize data sharing. This is why you enabled two-factor. Prompts will appear. Once you accept, make sure to choose how progression and items sync. The system asks about cross-progression settings. If you see duplicate profiles, pick the account that holds your current Warzone progress. After authorization, expect a confirmation message. To finish, restart your consoles and launch Warzone on PS5 so the linked profile loads and merges progression. You should see both Xbox and PSN badges in Activision settings. Once visible, verify weapons and loadouts carried over. If the game doesn't show your progress, try unlinking and relinking the PSN through Activision, then restart again. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache or reinstall the game if syncing stalls. This often forces a fresh profile pull and resolves most linkage errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.